Christmas Pilates Day 7 is here, and today we're going to focus on relaxing your mind after that stressful Christmas period. Are you ready to slow down today? Then get on a mat and let's get started. Sit down, your legs and arms are shoulder width apart, hands facing each other. Imagine someone is pulling your head up and lengthening your spine. Inhale, exhale, your head becomes heavy, roll down vertebrae by vertebrae until you can't roll down anymore. And then hinge from your hips. Inhale, exhale, hinge back and roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhale, exhale, roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Hinge from your hip. Increase your C curve in your lower back, so pull your pubic bone to the spine. Hinge back and roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. One more. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Hinge from your hip. Engage your core. Hinge back and roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. Open your arms into a T position. Rotate from your torso. Hinge at the hip. Keep your back straight. Come back up, open your arm, rotate back. Rotate to the other side, hinge from your hip, keep your back straight, hinge back, open your arm and rotate back. Let's do two more. Open and rotate back. Hinge, open, rotate back. One more. Hinge. Come back, keep your core engaged. And to the other side. Hinge. Come back up, open your arm and come back to center. Close your legs, your feet are still flexed, hands to the ceiling and rotate from your torso to me. Pause 2 times, rotate away from me. And exhale, pulse 2 times from your torso, not your arms. And exhale. Inhale, exhale, pulse. Inhale, exhale, pulse. Keep your arms up, your shoulders away from your ears. Pull your ribs in while you're rotating from your torso. Maximize your rotation as far as you can go. And 3, 2, and 1. Come onto your sit bones, get your legs up, grab your shins and come into C curve. So pubic bone to belly button. Inhale and come down. Exhale, come up. Inhale, down. And exhale up. Shoulders away from your ears. Come until your shoulders only, not onto your head. Pull your legs to yourself. So engage your biceps. But keep your shoulders away from your ears. And enjoy this little spine massage. Your head is an extension of your spine. And 3, 2, and 1. Now grab your thighs and roll down vertebrae by vertebrae until you lie on the mat. Your arms are next to your side, feet hip width apart. Your pelvis is in a neutral position, so your pubic bone is on the same height as your hip bones. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, pubic bone to the belly button, so your pubic bone is higher than your hip bones. And roll up until you get into a diagonal line from your knees to your shoulders. Inhale, hold. Exhale, roll down vertebrae by vertebrae until you get to your neutral pelvis. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. Push your knees to the back of the room, so in the opposite side of yourself, and roll back down vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhale, exhale, roll back up. And inhale, hold, exhale, roll back down. One more exercise to go. Grab your thighs, come up, and let's get onto all fours. Shoulders above your wrists, hip bones above your knees. Your spine is neutral. Now exhale, pubic bone to the belly button. Get into a nice curve in your lower spine. And inhale, come through the neutral spine into an extension of your upper back. So push your sternum to the front and your shoulders down. But engage your core. And neutral, exhale. Round your lower back. Neutral. Push your sternum to the front and your shoulders away from your ears. But keep your core engaged. Come back into neutral. Bring your legs together. Push yourself down and bring your hands forward so you can stretch. Because congratulations, you've just finished the Christmas Pilates series and day 7. Well done. You can be so proud of yourself for sticking the series out and finishing it. That's incredible. And don't forget, you're stronger than you feel today and more glowing than you realize. Just like skincare from the inside out. So thanks for joining me for my Christmas Pilates series and I hope to see you in my next workout. Bye!